These are my boxes of Svarim from Artscroll that were sent to me by one of my viewers. And now we will find out what is inside. Okay, here we have an Artscroll catalog so I could spend more money on Artscroll Svarim. Okay, put that aside. Woo. Oh, wow. Look at these beautiful volumes. Zera Shimshon, we have Ungracious. This looks like volume 2. Okay. This is Voracious, volume 3. Nice. Shemos, volume 1. Awesome. This is Devarim. There's Vayikra. Looks like there's just one volume for Vayikra and for Devarim. Looks like this is a single volume. Shemos, volume 2. Voracious, volume 4. Bamidbar, open this box now. In this smaller box, we have the Zera Shimshon set, which looks slightly different than the one here. This is a box set of, I guess, 2 volumes. Let's take a look. Let me take them out of the slipcase. Here we have the 2 volumes side by side. Rabbi Nachman Seltzer, whom I know personally, and I used to have Shabbos meals at his parents' house in Yerushalayim. That's how cool I am. Zera Shimshon, the Sefer, the stories, the Segula. Segula? Nobody told me about a Segula. Spoiler alert. Rabbi Yaakov Hillel has a whole book against Segulas. So, and I'm a Litvak, so I'm not on the Segula train. Just a full disclosure, I'm not on the Segula train. But anyway, and the book number 2 looks rather similar to book number 1, but with a number 2 on it and a different color. Selections from Zera Shimshon. 1 book of selections on all the parshas, another book of selections on all the parshas. I am super appreciative to the individual who wishes to remain anonymous that ordered me these Svarim, and I'm excited to take a look at them. This is awesome. Okay, everybody, have a super nice day. Bye-bye.